So just wait. If I just come right here and click on this get started, and come right here, click on this sign in right here, come right here, put in my username right here. Put in my password right here. And click on this sign in right here. So it will bring me right here. So you can see right here, this is my dashboard. You can see that everything is just right here, just 00000. So if I just come right here and click on this and call game right here, to bring me right here, I just come right here and click on this. You can see, I come right here and click on this, but claim reward right here. So it will bring me right here. I will watch this thing right here.
Data plus a TikTok account equals money. Monetize your TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account easily and get paid for it. And get paid.
If I just come back right here, come right here, click right here, and go back right here. So I just come right here and click on this menu right here, and come right here to recent activities right here. Once I come right here, I gonna click on this new recent activities right here. You can see right here that I've earned this thing right here for just watching movie right here, and you can see right here that I received $6 sign-up bonus right here for just registering an account. I received $6 right here. So right here, if I come right here to my right here, and my last one I go right here. Now if I just scroll down all the way right here, you can see that I've earned $7.5 right here on this account. So right, you can see that the AI just do the work for me. All I do is to come right here and claim my money right here. So this one I'll be doing every single day and be making money from this side. Just wait, let me show you the second one right here. If I just come back right here and come right here, okay, if I just click right here, click on this home right here, and come right here, click on this three dots right here, and come right here and click on this top earners. Once I click on this top earners, you can see people that are making a lot of money from this site right here. So you can see right here that this one right here make $7,790 right here. This one right here make $5,802.3 right here. You can see that people are making dollars right here from this site. So now you might be asking yourself, can you make this type of money? The answer is yes. You can make this type of money for you to put in work. Because people that is making this type of money, they put in work and they work hard for it. So if you're seeing this video, it means that you're one of my followers or subscribers, or you're a member of Anchor, or you pop out on your H5P. So if this is your first time on my channel, please do it to subscribe and turn on notification, because right in this channel I make a honest review, I lead you the truth, and I give tips on how to make money online and many other things that you can benefit from this channel. So do it to subscribe and turn on notification. So the money you saw earlier is a real money. You need to watch this video to the very end, because at the end of this video I'm going to be sharing with you a secret that you can use to make a huge amount of money from Anchor or any other site. Now, what is Anchor? How does Anchor works? So right here, as you can see right on my screen, you can see that Anchor is an online platform that pays you for daily mining, tasks, advert posts, and many other things. Anchor have amazing features, so you can earn daily and withdraw your money when you perform tasks. This is the earning total. And Anchor, there are two packages. There is the silver package and the pro package. So this one right here is the silver package. So this time with silver, you'll be given instant kickback of $5, which is the bonus as $5, and daily you'll be earning $1.20 by watching videos. So right here, you can just post on TikTok, later Anchor, and if your video gets 1K views, you get paid for it. So right here is the pro package. The pro package right here, the registration right here is $8.50. So once you register with $8.50 right here, you'll be giving instant kickback. The welcome bonus right here will be $6. So once you get $6, you can be earning $1.20 right here when you watch video, and there are many amazing features on this pro package. The people that you see that make those money right here, they are putting work and they are referrals. So all you need to do, just come right here, just search for adbifan.com and click on this one right here. All you need to do, once you're here, all you need to do, just come right here and click on this, come right here and click on this registration. Once you click on this registration, to bring it right here, all you need to do right here, you just put your email, password. I'm not a robot. As you successfully create your account, it will bring it right here. You can see how the site look like. So what you do in this site is that just click this three dot right here. You can see you can like people's or follow people's page on Facebook. You can share their post. You can like their post. You can follow people on Twitter. You can follow people on you can subscribe to Telegram channel, YouTube, TikTok, likes, and many others. You can do, and you earn points. For example, if I just come right here and click on this Facebook, you can see that I have 48 points right here. If I come right here and click on this Facebook post like right here, so you can see that right here I can like this post right here and get 4 points. So once I like this post right here and get 4 points, once I click on this like right here, it will bring me right here. It take me to the post. So you can see the post right here that I want me to like. All I need to do is just come right here and like this post right here, and come back right here and come right here and click on this confirm. Once I click on this confirm right here, you can see that we earn 4.5 added. So once I did this, so once I keep doing this and be getting points, you can see this one right here, I can get 9 points for liking. So once I do this here, I start getting more points. All I need to do is just come right here and click on this add site. This one right here, add site. So before you could do that, first of all, you need to go and create a Telegram channel. So once you have successfully create your Telegram channel, just come back right here and come right here, Telegram channel sub. So once I select it right here, I come right here and select country. So which country is available for Anchor? So I come right here, remove this one right here. I select country that are available for Anchor. So I select them right here. I come right here and paste my Telegram channel link. Once I paste my Telegram channel link right here, I come right here and leave this one off right here. How many points will I pay people that will follow or that will subscribe to my Telegram channel? Assuming you have like 1,000 points, and you'll be paying 5 points for each person that subscribe to your channel. So with that, you can get like about 500 members on your Telegram channel, and those people that will subscribe to your Telegram channel are people from country that Anchor is available. So all you need to do right here, you just come right and click on this save. Once you click on this save, people will start following you on your Telegram channel. So after 24 hours, all you need to do is just come to your Telegram channel and start telling them about Anchor. Introduce Anchor to them, tell them how it works. With that, you can a lot of people that can introduce the Anchor. Once they register with your link, you will keep on getting commission and be making money for yourself. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, so that every time I drop a video, you'll be the first to get notified that I've actually dropped a video. Thank you for watching.